Hello SOL and SOR PE scholars. Marcus Cole and myself, Marcus Beck, are going to introduce a couple workouts for week 15. So this is going to be workout number 1 for week 15. It's pretty basic, but it's going to be really challenging because it's only going to be 10 minutes long. But like I said, it's basic movements. So what you're going to do is 2 minutes of jumping jacks. And when your timer goes off after 2 minutes, you're going to set your timer for 30 seconds and do your basic plank or any kind of variation of a plank. And when that timer goes off, you go back to 2 minutes, but instead of doing jumping jacks, I want you to do 2 minutes of mountain climbers. And then when that timer goes off, choose your variation of a plank, 30 seconds. When that timer goes off, you're at 5 minutes. You have 5 minutes left. So we're going to circle back and do 2 minutes of jumping jacks, 30-second plank, 2 minutes of mountain climbers, 30-second plank. It's pretty basic, easy movements, but it's going to be 10 minutes. It's going to get your heart rate up, and I think it'll be really good, and you guys might enjoy it. And it's something that's really easy, and you can do anywhere in your yard or in your house or bedroom. So that's it. Workout number 1 for week 15. Marcus Cole and myself, Marcus Beck. Hope you guys have a good one. Talk to you guys later.